So what is up everyone, this is Kiran here. Welcome back again to Tech Kiran YouTube channel. As always, some performance modes for your device. If you're an Android user and you're using Magisk on a device, you definitely need to optimize your Android, optimize your kernel performance, and a lot more things which you can do if you have rooted your device. One of the tweaks which we already have applied on our device include X tweak, which is a Magisk module through which you can simply force your device kernel, and it might increase your device performance. It's helpful in gaming experience and a lot more things. So yes, you definitely need to try out this thing on your device. Xtweak, by the way, I already made a video on Xtweak some days ago, but now it's actually changed. As you can just see, now it has this terminal emulator kind of UI, CLI, so command based things are available here. For example, you have applied something different and you want something different, some new mode. Right now our current mode is accumulator, which I have already applied, but you can change that. It's up to you. And now changing mode is quite simple and quite easy. So whole credit goes to its developer XinfinityLooper, and link for that one is in the description. His username, his support group and support channel, everything is in the description. For example, if I need to apply something here, if you don't know, it includes these 3-4 powerful interesting modes available for you. For example, if I want to clean the junk files, it will automatically clean. This is a very helpful thing for the users, as I don't have junk files. I've already cleaned them, so cleaned that already, so that's why there are no junk files available. But if you want to simply boost your RAM, that a specific module is already available for that, auto performance related. If I'm not wrong, that was flush RAM. That was a very helpful module, so you can go and check it out, that one too. For example, we have applied the second option, which is called equalizer, which will perform equally between the performance and battery and can be used as a daily driver. By the way, all these tweaks and else things you need to do at your own risk. If you do anything wrong, or if anything goes wrong with your device, I'm not responsible for anything happen to your device. So make sure, if you know what you're doing, only then do this. This is called Xtweak Advanced Mode Changer. So yes, these are the things you get here. Now moving on to the installation step, etc. Here you will see this kind of thing. Hope to see you again. Bye. So let me just exit from here once to show you that how to do and how these things work. Okay, so this is a Magisk module, as if you don't know. So yes, if it is a Magisk module, so make sure you have the latest Magisk version installed. I'm using the Magisk 23, the latest version at least, while making this video. So move on to here, install from storage, and here this is the file which is around 1 MB, which I already told you a lot of time ago. This is Xtweak. Xtweak is a universal powerful forcefulness kernel tweaker. So yes, this is one of those kernel tweakers who aims to bring good battery backup, good performance, and a lot more things. It's up to you. And do the on-screen instructions, whatever it is telling you. And as I previously mentioned you, here you can select one mode, but yes, after some time, after installation, you can simply change that mode just with a terminal emulator, as you just saw previously. So things are pretty much easy, very much simple, very simple guide to install this. After the installation, you need to reboot your device, because if you don't reboot, the thing will not work for you. So don't try out the terminal emulator things without rebooting. So after we just rebooted our device, and here let me just show you how the things are going on, how things will work. Let me just show you that I have rebooted, and this is how it will show you. Xtweak, we have installed it on our device. You need to install Termux, and Termux, of course, it's available on the Google Play Store for free. You need to type this su space -c, again space x-cli. Then you need to hit enter, and you'll see this UI, and you can choose according to your preference. All the other things I've already shown you. This is all from today's short and simple video regarding this kernel tweaker. So this is basically a kernel tweaker which will increase your device performance and battery backup, which aims to bring you a lot of improvements. So everything is up to you. This is all. Thanks for watching. Link is in the description. Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.